Look.
Go away.
Go on, give him a bit.
I'm giving them bit.
Oh, I got that on video. Did you get your fish?
Yeah, a young woman and her boyfriend were sitting outside enjoying a nice meal in the can when a seagull swoops in.
Kurva!
I'm ready. Ready. Imagine if he drops it in a car window.
He's not too happy with me. And I'm gonna let him go. Ouch. Ouchie. Ow. He doesn't like me very much. He also pooped on me. Alright,